When it comes to smart fitness trackers or smart fitness band, Xiaomi is one of the leaders in this department, right? But it might soon change, or at least I thought that way. But after using the COLMI M3S for about a month now, things have definitely taken a turn. Hey, what's up guys, it's Ayn here from the Tech Info House and you're watching the full review of the COLMI M3S fitness band, so let's get started. So before we talk about the product itself, let me just show you the box that it comes in. So as you can see on the front, it portrays the picture of the product itself and also the COLMI branding, and on the back there are certain minor specifications about the product, and that's it. No price quoted whatsoever. Inside of it you absolutely get nothing other than the product and some things that you don't need, that is user manual, who needs it, and also a COLMI QR code, who needs it, I don't know. So that's all you get inside the box, guys. Now I bought this from AliExpress for around 850 rupees, and you can get it also in India via Amazon India, and it costs around 1000 rupees in like Amazon, and I'll provide the link for the both in the description down below. Now I've divided this review on two parts. The first part deals with the things that I liked about this product, and the second part deals with the things that I did not like about this product. So let's get started, guys. Okay, so the first thing that I really appreciate about this product is the display. Now it comes along with a 0.96 inch TFT color display. Now in theory it doesn't sound like super amazing, but trust me guys, it's actually really good. And considering the competitors who provide us with black and white displays and they are like this small, this is something you will really appreciate, and for the price that you're paying, it's actually a great deal. Anyways, the overall quality of the strap is also really good, guys. It's sturdy and it doesn't feel like it will break whatsoever, and also the quality of the watch itself is really good. But unfortunately I got a giant scratch on the watch, but it is for my own fault, guys. So but still you should definitely be conscious and aware while using this watch. But yeah, overall it is of a good quality, but not as good as something that we get with Mi Bands, but overall you'll be satisfied considering the price that you pay for the product. Okay, so this is the charging solution that you get, and it's actually really convenient because you can just pop in directly to your existing charger and charge it like anywhere, anytime. And this is actually really convenient because you can charge it on your laptop, your computer, and hell, even your mobile phone for the case in case you have USB OTG. So that's something really convenient. And I also like the way it attaches to the strap itself, because the way it attaches, guys, it makes sure that it doesn't falls off from the strap. And we have seen this problem in Xiaomi bands like in past, which Xiaomi claims to have fixed in the Mi Band 3, but we don't know yet whether it has been fixed or not. But overall, guys, it has no chance of falling like the Xiaomi band. So this is something really good. I also really appreciate the way the notifications are handled in this device, guys. It takes advantage of the bigger display, unlike the competitors who provide you the small display and you just get aware that okay, a notification has arrived. But in this case, guys, you have a clear idea of from where the notification is coming, like whether it's from WhatsApp, whether it's from Facebook, or whether it's a call or not. They also claim that we can reject a call, but unfortunately I couldn't do it. I did follow the steps that they provided us, but I simply couldn't. Maybe it's my device itself, or there might be some fault in this device, I don't know, or some software issues. But anyways, guys, that's the thing. It handles notifications in a good way and you would really appreciate it. Other than that, guys, you must have noticed that it has a sensor, like heart rate sensor, so it definitely measures your heart rate. But overall, like, it does a approximate walk, like not absolutely accurate. I have tried to compare it with a proper heart rate monitor, proper BP monitor, but most of the time it isn't that accurate. But what I saw was more or less accurate was the heart rate and the O2 or the oxygen level. So other than that, there are a lot of things like BP measurement, but I'll talk about it on the later part of the video. Anyways guys, the last thing that I really appreciate is its water resistance capacity. So for the price that you're paying, once again, getting a water resistant watch is something really good. Now let's move ahead and talk about the cons of this product. Okay, so as of now, it feels as if the COLMI M3S is the perfect deal ever, right? The best smartwatch you can buy for this price, or the best smartband you can try for this price. But unfortunately guys, COLMI has failed to deliver in the basic cores of a fitness tracker or fitness band. And it's really unfortunate guys, because most of the thing it has done right, but the core, the very core of a fitness band is what they compromised on, and that's something not acceptable. So the first thing is the battery life guys. COLMI claims it to have at least 10 days of battery life, but in my testing period guys, it hardly lasted for 3 to 4 days. And I honestly guys don't even turn on the notifications most of the time. I keep my phone and the watch disconnected most of the time. But I don't know, like, even like, think of a situation when I keep the notifications on and keep my watch connected with the phone all the time. So you might end up getting just 2 days of battery life. So this is really unfortunate guys. I expected a better battery life, but like, I understand that it has a bigger display whatsoever, but still. And another annoying thing is that guys, it doesn't show how much percentage of the battery is left. Yes, it shows a battery indicator on the top of the watch. Let me just okay, again, see, the watch just turned off, like the battery is dead, and it didn't even show me any notifications like, hey, your battery is low, please charge it. Something like what Xiaomi does. In case the battery is low, it vibrates and lets you know that, hey, your battery is low. So this is a live example guys, it just turned off, like, so, and I just charged it like 2 days back, so you can very well understand the condition of the battery. And that's the reason why I was telling that the quality of the strap is really important for this case, because you have to now and then open this like device and charge it. Anyways guys, another thing that really disappointed me was the step tracking, sleep tracking, BP tracking, and lot of features that they provide, like walking, sports, like I don't know what like they were thinking, football, badminton, soccer, swim, like they literally included everything, but none of them works. Like, even I don't know, like I don't even have a word to explain it. It's like pathetic, really pathetic guys. The sleep tracking is, I don't know how they track the sleep. Like, I slept 2 to 3 days wearing both the watches, Mi Band as well as this COLMI M3S, and there was hell and heaven difference. And I also kept a track myself, like whether in which time I'm sleeping and which time I'm waking up. So it was more accurate in the Mi Band, and it was far from being accurate in the COLMI M3S. And also guys, the step counting is like, there are like thousands and thousands of false positives. Like, how can some watch calculate so much of false positives? I don't know. So that's something you should be aware of if in case you still are willing to purchase this product. And the last and the app interface guys, like I'm so annoyed with the app interface. Like, it's so funny at times. Like, you wake up, you expect to sync your watch so that you get the sleep data, your how much steps you took the last day. I do it that way. Like, I don't keep the watch connected all the time. At morning I wake up, I just sync it once, and then I just disconnect it. So that's how I do it. So once I just connected it, it cannot even sync properly. The sleep data comes after like 1 to 2 hours. Like, I don't know what is wrong with this watch. And also guys, the app itself is really buggy, and I just don't like the way the app looks, and it's really complicated. Yes, there are certain features like regular heart rates and wake up reminders, alarm reminders, notification reminders. You can take a picture with this and other stuff, but it doesn't make sense if the overall thing is not working well and the tracking is atrocious, pathetic. So that's all guys, I just don't know how to conclude this. Like, I was so excited about this watch, but having used this watch after for so long, it was a disappointment. So guys, that's all I have to say about the COLMI M3S. Now I personally wouldn't recommend you guys to opt for this watch, but if in case you're still interested, I'll drop a link in the description down below. Instead, I'll suggest you guys to invest a bit more and opt for the Mi Band HRX edition. Yes, I know it doesn't have that colored display or the gimmicky features that its watch claims to have, but at least it does the job what it claims to do in the best way possible, rather than this watch which claims a hell lot of things, but it didn't live up to that expectations that we had for the price that we paid, right? Now, why am I recommending you the Mi Band HRX edition? The reason being that I have been using that watch for 8 to 9 months and I'm really satisfied with that watch or smart band or fit band, whatever you say. The battery life is insanely amazing guys, 18-19 days, even sometimes it lasts 20 days. And the step tracking is more or less good. Yes, it has false positive like any other smart band. There are some false steps that and if in case you have used the smart band, you already know that you need to deduct a bit of the steps because we consider it to be as a false positive. So if in case you have suppose 18,000 steps a day, which is a lot, and you just deduct like 1500 steps as false positives, so that's the thing we follow. And other than that, the sleep tracking is also really good guys, and I have been using it for a long time, as I said, and the sleep tracking is absolutely amazing. I don't know how Xiaomi's software is so efficient in tracking the sleep, but it does it in a really amazing way. So as I said guys, if you are someone who is into fitness, who likes to keep a track of their steps, the calories burned, the kilometers they have walked, this is not the watch for you, and I definitely wouldn't recommend you guys to purchase this. But if in case you're someone who is like a general user who just wants to watch the time now and then and get certain notifications in the smart band, this is perfect for you. But as I said in the review that it doesn't have a very good battery life, so it might you have to charge it in 3 to 4 days. So that's all guys in this video. If in case you found this video helpful, do subscribe to our channel and of course hit this video a thumbs up, and I'll be back with more videos like this. It's I'm from the Tech Info signing off. Have a nice day. Peace.